everyone? Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. To my right, a very, very attractive 4-cylinder 5 Series. This car is a G30 530i. You see on my left, we also have a 540i as well here. Got actually an M550 outside and an M5 CS. But we're focusing on the 4-cylinder car today. This car has the OEM downpipe and it's got our full Valve Sport exhaust system installed. This is going to be a little bit of a shorter video today just because we're testing this exhaust. Also on this car, we're going to offer one exhaust that fits both the 4-cylinder and the 6-cylinder, which is pretty cool. So we're going to show you guys some sound clips of this car. We're going to start up some revs, some flybys and such so that you know what your G30 530i is going to sound like with this exhaust setup. You can combine this with any downpipe that you so choose, but right now in the stock form, sounds really good. Let's get to the sound.